Hey guys, hi, this is Tulsi. Welcome back to my channel, and I am posting a video after a long time. So I have a series of videos lined up for you all, so make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon below so that you don't miss out on any of the video which I post. Today I am up with acrylic painting tutorial. So I have mini canvases which I am painting on. Okay, I have divided the video into two parts. So I have two mini canvas painting which I will be sharing the process in this video, and two of the paintings will be shared in the next video. So let's get into the video. Okay, for the painting, I am using a mini canvas of 4x4 inch and acrylic colors. These are the shades which I'll be requiring for my first painting. I am also using a wooden stand for painting. I just tried out something different by keeping the canvas on the stand and painting it. So to begin, I'm just using a yellow color and giving round strokes to it, and then using orange for the background sky. I am planning for a sunset in this painting. So yes, it's an orange sky. Make sure when you use a canvas you paint the edges also. Once the background sky is done, I am starting with the land portion of the painting. So I'm using a brown color over here. I just mixed a bit of black in orange, and it's very uncomfortable to paint over the stand, so I am lifting the canvas, and it's not at all a good idea to paint on a tiny stand. Once done with the base coat, you can add different coats over and over for giving a good effect to the painting. So here we've done with the side of the land, and I'm painting a road. I just mixed black and white color to create a grey color and painting a road. To show the reflection of the sky on the land or the road, I am using a bit of orange color on the road, and to give the trees more real look, I am using a dark green color shade at some points where the light will be reflecting on the trees so that it looks more real, and then the trunks of the trees are done with black. You can add as many tiny details as possible to your painting, and your painting will look more prettier. This is the best part, the clouds. I've just used dry brush and white color, and in round motions I am making the clouds, and then adding a darker white color border to the clouds so they give a pretty real look to your painting. The next is few minor details. Again, as I said, it gives more pretty look to your painting. Some more reflection of the sky on the road. If you wish, you can stop over here. The painting itself looks very pretty, but I am drawing a teeny tiny car since I wanted to show travel on this mini canvas painting, so this car really adds on to the theme. And some final touches to the painting. We are almost done, and I am in love how the painting has turned out to be. I wanted to write paradise over here, but the board was quite small, so I ended up writing Paris over there. And here we go. Let's move on to the next painting. For the next painting, I decided to not use the stand and keep canvas on the floor. Here I am taking a bit of blue and white, and I decided to mix the color on the canvas, so that's also a very good idea instead of mixing the color on the palette, so you get the desired shade on the canvas itself. And when you mix the color on the canvas, you get a gradient of colors and you can use them according to you. The next I gave the black base, and now I'm creating these clouds. I've used a gray color for creating clouds using a flat brush and moving it in circular motion. Once the gray color is dried, I'm giving another layer of white color over it so that the clouds look more real. And here we are done with the clouds, so we move on to the land part. So we are painting grass and flowers, so making grass with darker green color shade and giving few longer strokes for the branch of the flowers, which we'll be painting later. So I'm using white color for making flowers, and the strokes are quite simple for making flowers, so this is the easiest step. Once done with the white color, I am adding a bit of yellow color at the base to give it a kind of shade that is required, and then some light green color for the branches to highlight it. So yes, we are done. That's it for today. I hope you liked today's tutorial. If you happen to make any of the paintings from my tutorials, do not forget to share your work with me on Instagram, or you can tag me on Instagram at @creative_edge. I'll leave the link for my Instagram handle below, so do follow me there. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care.